Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today we're at Whitley Bay to a food festival. It's free to enter, but I bet the food's not free. Hey!
Jacked up on cheap champagne, let's see good times are allowed. Feel me, and I said do it.
Oh, cheesecake! Hiya!
Something different. Take your mama on that truck. What it's all about. Jacked up on the cheap champagne, let the good times are allowed. What it's all about. Jacked up on the cheap champagne, let the good times are allowed.
Ali. Twisted taters.
Everyone has a different name for them. They're all always good. Pizza.
Nice.
Oh, thank you.
One happy girly. So this is Mr. Chipsticks. Give him a follow on Instagram if you want one of these, and you'll find out where it is. Smokey Doys. Yes, thank you.
Thanks, man. Thank you very much. If you want a lunch? Yeah.
Emma. The nachos were nice, but needed something else, didn't they? Something a bit more tangy. Barbecue sauce, maybe.
Or even just a salsa, just something. I just needed that extra other than. Yeah.
You want any toppings? You want first?
Oh, yes.
So what we've got here is fresh strawberries covered in melted chocolate
Is that Oreo?
and crushed Oreo.
Oreo.
Now they are a winner. Meow. Done. Yum. Truly Madly Pizza, which is a converted horse box. Cool, what an idea. Cheers. And the bar is over here. How can you tell?
I'm a one-way motorway. I'm a road that drives away and follows you back home.
I was going to fetch my drone, but I knew it was down by the seaside and the seagulls. As you can see, this guy's drone keeps getting attacked. Meow. So that's the food festival just there. It's only on this weekend, but there is still shops and restaurants and little cafes down at Whitley Bay, and we're going to have a little one down at the beach here. As you can see, the tide is well in, but all year round you have little places like this where you can have coffee, ice cream and snacks. So you don't have to just come for the food festival, which is only on this weekend. We'll have it all year round. Pint of cider is a must. Dark fruits. So here's some of the permanent shops that's around here. So although the food festival is only for this weekend, you still have all these to go to. So there you have it, folks. That was the Whitley Bay Food Festival 2024. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.